breaking news coming in amid a strain over Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Moscow this week. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval spoke to US NSA Jake Sullivan on Friday evening, where they agreed to work closely to further advance bilateral ties. They also discussed the upcoming Quad Foreign Ministers meeting to be held later this month and a leaders summit that may possibly be held later this year. This is the latest development that we are telling our viewers, as these talks have happened between the India and the US after Prime Minister Modi's visit to Moscow, which of course had its own narrative that was also being pushed by certain spheres. And in this meeting between the NSAs of India and the United States, where they spoke about bolstering ties between India and the United States. And like you heard, that is the first time on camera that the SpiceJet employee is putting out her version of the story. While we continue to track every detail very closely, we now shift our focus to more breaking news coming in. Now, this is against YouTuber Dhruv Rathi, as he's landed himself in trouble, allegedly over a fake post on social media platform X, where he had gone on to claim that Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla's daughter had cleared the UPSC exam without even appearing for it. And following are the consequences, where he has been booked over this alleged fake post on the Lok Sabha Speaker's daughter. In fact, the Maharashtra Nodal Cyber Police has filed this case against Dhruv Rathi for not verifying his facts correctly and putting out quote-unquote fake news over Om Birla's daughter. Now, in this social media post on X, he had gone on to claim that Om Birla's daughter had cleared the UPSC exam without even appearing for it. Did he provide the requisite proof in order to back his claim? And what happens next? Because as we understand, the Dhruv Rathi does not reside in India, but so far this is the latest detail that is just coming in, as he has been booked by the Maharashtra Nodal Cyber Police that has filed a case against YouTuber Dhruv Rathi, who does have a massive following on YouTube. Let me cut across to Sandeep, who joins us on the broadcast. Sandeep, to get all the details from you, firstly, why did Dhruv Rathi put out this post? Did he back this post with the requisite proof? Secondly, now that the Maharashtra Nodal Cyber Crime Department has taken action against him, what happens next? Because as we understand, he does not reside in India. Any statement that is coming in from either parties, do take us through the latest.
Suesha, as far as this case is concerned, remember after the Pooja Khedkar case, Dhruv Rathi had in fact put out this post on Twitter stating that the daughter Anjali of Om Birla, the Lok Sabha Speaker, is not qualified, and in fact she had got this post as a civil servant with the help of her father. Ultimately, after this post was in fact done by Dhruv Rathi, a complaint was filed by the cousin of Anjali, that is Anjali Om Birla, and in fact Naman Maheshwari is someone who had in fact filed this very complaint with Maharashtra Cyber, following which a case under the sections of new DNS law have been in fact registered against Dhruv Rathi, and defamation case as well as several sections of IT Act have been pressed against Dhruv Rathi in this very matter.